Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. Learn how to show footer only on the first and last page in Microsoft Word while keeping all middle pages clean. This step-by-step tutorial teaches you the correct method using section breaks and header footer controls to manage footers professionally without distributing your document layout. So let's get started. We can see here a document. This is assignment for my college. Here 8 page. Now I want to add the footer. Go to the insert menu, click the footer option. You can choose any footer. Now I am select this. Then type your text. Then close the header and footer. Now check the all page. We can see here all page available the footer. Now I only keep the footer on the first and the last page. Now we separated the first and last page to the all documents. Go to the last of the first page, then go to layout menu, click the break drop down menu, choose next page. Then we can see here a gap. Now I close this or remove this gap. Then go to the last page, last, and click the layout option, choose break and choose next page. Then double click on the footer option. Here the footer is last page is section 3 and the another page, this page is section 3 and the all page is section 2 and the first page is section 1. Now I go to the second page and click the link to previous option, turn off this, then go to the last, then again click the third page, last page, and click the link to previous option. Then remove the footer to all page, and we can see here the footer available only the first and the last page. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.